This is the 2006 Upper Deck football. It's called Fat Pack. Let's open it and see what we find. Here's your cards. Muhsin Muhammad, wide receiver, Chicago. Aaron Schroebel, defensive end, Buffalo. Reggie Wayne, wide receiver, the Colts. Dre Bly, cornerback, Lions. DeMarcus Ware, linebacker, Cowboys. Fred Taylor, running back, Jacksonville. Jason Witten, tight end, Cowboys. Michale Vick, quarterback, Atlanta Falcons. LaDainian Tomlinson, running back, San Diego. Dante Stallworth, wide receiver, Saints. Joey Galloway, wide receiver, Tampa Bay. Amani Toomer, wide receiver, New York Giants. Isaac Bruce, wide receiver, Rams. Donovan McNabb, quarterback, Eagles. Antonio Winfield, cornerback, Vikings. All Upper Deck team. Derek Brooks, Buccaneers linebacker. Kurt Warner, quarterback, Cardinals. Bubba Franks, tight end, Green Bay. Steve Smith, wide receiver, Carolina Panthers. Dallas Clark, tight end, Colts. Brett Favre, quarterback, Green Bay. Thomas Jones, running back, Chicago. Greg Jones, running back, Jacksonville. Travis Taylor, wide receiver, Vikings. Adam Pac-Man Jones, cornerback, Titans. Brian Westbrook, running back, Eagles. Brad Johnson, quarterback, Vikings. Joey Galloway, wide receiver, Tampa Bay. Doug Gabriel, wide receiver, Oakland Raiders. Drew Bennett, wide receiver, Titans. Eric Johnson, tight end, 49ers. Here's an all Upper Deck team. Al Wilson, Bronco linebackers. Here's some of the better cards in this pack. Stay with us, we have more packs coming.